Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pistachio nougat. First, ensure all your ingredients are measured and ready on your countertop. You will need about 100 grams of shelled, roasted pistachios, 200 grams of granulated sugar, and 100 milliliters of water. Also, have 2 large egg whites at room temperature, 50 grams of good quality honey, and a tiny pinch of salt. Having everything prepared makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, we will create the essential sugar syrup. In a medium saucepan, combine your 200 grams of sugar, 100 milliliters of water, and 50 grams of honey. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil until it reaches precisely 145 degrees Celsius. A reliable candy thermometer is crucial for this step to ensure perfect consistency. While your syrup is heating, whip the 2 egg whites in a very clean, dry bowl until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Once the syrup reaches its target temperature, carefully and slowly pour it in a thin stream into the whipped egg whites while continuously beating on medium-high speed. Continue beating for about 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture is very thick, glossy, and has cooled significantly. Finally, gently fold in your 100 grams of roasted pistachios. Now for the final steps. Line a small baking pan, about 8 by 8 inches, with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. Press the warm, sticky nougat mixture firmly and evenly into the prepared pan. You can use a spatula or lightly oiled hands to smooth the top. Let the nougat set at room temperature for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until it is firm. Once set, lift it out using the parchment paper and cut it into delightful, bite-sized pieces. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.